Welcome to the English version. I hope you understand my English. I'm not so good, but I want to show you how I curl my hair in English now. I use a GHD straightener to curl my hair this time. I have a small straightener and a big one, and I use the bigger one today because I want big curls. First, I start sectioning my hair with a hair clip, and I start in front today. I take my Redken Iron Shape, which is my favorite heat protection, and spray it on the hair. Don't use too less. Your hair will thank you if you use heat protection every time you use heat. Then I start curling my hair with first backwards and then towards the face. I show you again backwards. I turn it 2 times, as you could see, and then I turn it forward towards the face, and this is the curl towards the face. Next one, backwards, and then towards the face. So I keep sectioning my hair and keep curling it like I did just now. I have to admit, it feels so weird to speak in English on my videos. I hope I never see this video myself. But I also hope you can understand my English. So I keep using the Redken Iron Shape on each and every strand I curl. And I curl towards the face and the next strand backwards. If you want to add volume to your hair, just keep changing the directions on each and every strand you curl. Once towards the face, then backwards. That adds a lot of volume to the hair. So never forget the iron shape, the heat protection, whatever heat protection you use, don't forget it. And then I curl it backwards and forwards. I keep doing this on all of the upper part of my hair. Just on the back, I keep curling it forward. So I'll stop speaking now because I feel so weird. The smaller strands you take, the more volume you will add to your hair. I'll fast forward this now for you, so it don't take too much time. I hate long tutorials. Then I do the side and I curl it towards the face to show off my undercut. Towards the face, turn, turn. And again, towards the face. And again, I keep curling all of my hair now towards the face. Also from the back, I curl it up and towards the face. That's a lot of volume, but I like it. It's not for every day, but I like it for special occasions. How do you like that style? Would you wear it or not? How did you like my first English tutorial? Do you think I should do more of my videos in English too? So I'll upload an English section for you guys. If yes, just comment me or send me an email, send me something on Instagram or wherever you want to reach me, and I'll keep doing my best. I'm doing English hair tutorials too. So at last I open up my little curls with my fingers. Be careful, don't ruin them. Just make them look more natural by opening them a little bit up. And at last you will need a little bit of hairspray. Maybe the Design Me Hair Hold Me spray is something for you. There you can choose between a low, medium and high level to spray on your hair. So give me a thumb up if you liked my English tutorial. Don't forget to tell me if I should do more in English or not. And I hope you liked it. And I hope you understand me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!